Ever wondered why we sneeze? It's not just a random reflex. Sneezing is our body's quirky way of keeping our noses clean. When dust or germs irritate our nasal passages, a sneeze forcefully expels them, acting like a natural broom. But here's the kicker. The speed of a sneeze can reach up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah. This surprising speed ensures those pesky irritants are swiftly ejected. Next time you sneeze, remember, it's your body's high-speed cleaning service in action. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun facts.